Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is a portable mini disc player. Now this portable mini disc player will play DVDs, CDs, and it also has a USB port for connecting a thumb drive so you can play MP3s and also MP4 movies using the thumb drive. Now I got this in to have a look because I noticed that it's actually getting a bit harder to find little portable CD players and DVD players, and this looked like it was a reasonable quality one. Unfortunately, it isn't battery powered, so you do have to power it by mains. And in this video, we're just going to do the unboxing, and then in another video, I'll do a full test of the DVD playback, CD playback, and the USB port on this device. So anyway, let's get in the box, see what we've got, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is a manual, and it is actually a decent size manual. It covers all the operations of this unit, and they give you a good size manual for a change. So that's the first thing out of the box. Next is the USB power cable, and it's a micro USB end, unfortunately, but they do give you a little Australian standard charging brick as well. So you don't just get a cable, you also get the adapter for the mains power, and that's the next thing out of the box. Next are two cables. It comes with a standard AV composite cable, which is for the device itself, but it also has HDMI, and it also comes with a HDMI cable as well. So they're the next things out of the box. Also has this little stand, and this is to hold the unit so that you can hold it in an upright position if you want to put it on your desk or something. So that's included too. Next is the remote, and it doesn't come with any batteries unfortunately, but it takes two AAA batteries, which I'll put in later when I do the actual test of this device. And the remote is of a reasonable size and is quite well laid out. And finally, we've got the compact disc CD player itself, and as you can see, it looks very much like maybe one that came from the 80s or 90s. It's quite compact, and it's quite light to hold in one's hands. Now going to the front, you've got a button here, and this will open this Perspex thing. So if I push this button like so, it should open the Perspex cover, where you can put your discs in, and then it's got this little LED display here, and this will give you track readout and also show you some information of what songs you're playing. Now going to this side, you've got various buttons for controlling the volume, because it does have a built-in speaker, and also track selection and pause and play. This one here is for your AV cable, so you can actually output this to a TV using a standard composite AV cable. You've got your USB port here, so this is where you can add MP3s or MP4 files to play through this player, and then an on and off switch here. And then finally on the back, you've got a micro USB port, and this is for powering the device, and a HDMI port for outputting to a television set. And that's pretty much everything on this unit. Now, as I showed you earlier, it does come with this nice little stand, and you can put it in this nice little stand like so, and you could then watch the disc spin around. And of course, you've got this nice little remote as well, which is quite neat. Now, I said earlier at the beginning of this video, I won't play any media with this on this particular part of the video, because this is just an unboxing video, and I will follow this up with a proper test of this unit to see if it does actually have G-Shock like it claims, also as multi-region, and how well it plays CDs and MP4s and MP3s through the USB connection. So that will come later on. So until then, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.